You don't actually need more time. You need a different relationship with it. Think about it. Everyone gets the same 24 hours, yet some people build businesses, transform their health, and change their lives, while others stay stuck waiting for more time. So what's the difference? It's not time, it's mindset. A study from Stanford University found that people who believe time is scarce tend to waste more of it because they feel overwhelmed before they even begin. But those who see time as something they control, they act faster, decide quicker, and move without hesitation. The problem isn't your schedule. It's your story about your schedule. You say, I don't have time, but what you really mean is this isn't a priority. And that truth is uncomfortable. Look at entrepreneurs who started with nothing. Many worked full-time jobs, had responsibilities, and still built something on the side, not because they had extra hours, but because they stopped negotiating with excuses. They didn't wait for perfect timing. They made time imperfectly. Here's the shift. Stop asking, do I have time? Start asking, am I using the time I already have? Because scrolling for 2 hours, overthinking for 1 hour, and delaying decisions for days, that's not lack of time. That's lack of direction. And once you see that, you can't unsee it. There will never be a day where everything aligns perfectly. No empty calendar, no magical free hours. There's only now. Messy, busy, imperfect now. The moment you decide that your goals matter more than your excuses, time stops being your enemy and starts becoming your tool. So tonight, don't plan a perfect week. Just take one action you've been delaying, one step. That's it. If this hit you at the right moment, don't scroll past it. Subscribe to Aura Sparks and start taking control of the time you already have. And tell yourself, what's one thing you're finally going to stop delaying?